that's for sure. Now this is a good video of how to not take your pop-up gazebo down fast. Every day is Groundhog Day for me. So there's a lesson learned. Don't forget your supports by the door and pull the top down first. Now here's the final phase. In order to be classified as a go fast gazebo or canopy, whatever we're going to call it. In order to be a go fast gazebo, it has to come from that setup and be in this bag in a reasonable amount of time. So that's my next experiment. I'm going to time that. So let's go get it. I maybe should have left those last stakes in when I'm trying to bust down the sides, but I don't know, I'm making this up as I go, and most people know me, I'm usually not going to read instructions, so that's what we got going for us. One thing that I did see on another video, don't forget to take out your poles at the doorway. So there's a lesson learned. I even had them tied in, so I got to untie the strap. Minor penalty. Not that bad. Probably be the slowest I ever packed it up. We'll see. Oh, I'm missing a step here, I think. I gotta pull the top down. That might be hard at this point. Minor penalty. I think we're going to start over. Blooper. Getting good practice. So there's a lesson learned. Don't forget your supports by the door and pull the top down first. I think. Yeah, unless I come up with Groundhog Day and forget that, this will be my slowest takedown ever. Much better. We'll see if this works. If not, I might have to fold it up. This is the old backpacker in me coming out. I don't fold up pants, I stuff them in a bag. I was new at backpacking and camping. I used to fold up my tent real nice like everybody does when they're new. And then I learned that you just stuff it in the bag. That's the way it's going to be. Now this is a good video of how to not take your pop-up gazebo down fast. But let's find out how long that took. Doing it wrong several different ways. 12 minutes and 19 seconds, and it's ready to put in the truck.